Hi guys, it's Josh Bridges again, and I wanted to bring you another video around OBDeleven coding. So this time we'll be doing the pace car light indicators. So I'll get through to that now. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll do my best to help you. First things first then, get your OBDeleven dongle, plug it into the OBD2 port, which is just down here. Get your key, bang it into the ignition and turn the car once, just so all the electrics come on. So we've got the app just here, so we need to click on that. Then click connect. Lovely bit of rain here in Leeds. So once we're connected, what you can do, you've got a variety of options. So what we're going to do, we're going to click this little button down here, which takes you into the individual menus. Then going to go into Central Electrics. You're then brought to this menu. We need to go into Adaptation. Just a quick note here, this bit can take a little while. If it's the first time that you've used it, it will take a little while to load. But once we're on here, what we need to do, click the top to search. Then we need to type this in, which I assume means light. And we need to go to 16. So this is the option that you need. I will leave it on the screen here for a second just so you can screenshot it if you need to. And then we need to click on that. And then we're into the menu here. So once you're onto this menu, this is the one that you need to change here. So if you click on that, click it to the one below, click OK, and then hold the green tick at the bottom to activate it. And then you need to put your code in, which is the one up at the top. And then as you can see there, it says adaptation accepted. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to do the other side. This is the left-hand side that we're doing here. So we'll go back. Yeah, what we need to search is very, very similar to what we've just done, which is this one. This is what we need. Click that. And again, this one will be your standard option. You need to click the one below, click OK. And as always, hold the green tick and then adaptation accepted. And this is the result that you have. You can see that we've got the sequential lights now going left and right. So there we have it. That's how to do the pace car light indicators on your car. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and keep up to date with the content that I'm bringing out. But until next time, I'll see you then.